wonderful cat. Whenever he gets in a fix, he reaches into his bag of tricks. Felix the cat, the wonderful, wonderful cat. You laugh so much your sides will ache, your heart will go pit-a-pat. Watching Felix, the wonderful cat.
Well, Poindexter, we have a nice long evening ahead of us.
Yes, Mr. Felix. Uncle is going to a meeting of scientists.
Says he. I noticed there's a new movie at the Bijou tonight.
The Interplanetary Teletype. My dear Professor, offering your nephew, Poindexter, responsible position, head of my laboratory on planet Venus. Send him COD. I will pay handsomely. Your old pupil, Master Cylinder. P.S. Is $1 million in cash handsome enough? $1 million? Give up Poindexter for a year? Never! $1 million. A year is such a short time, and the experience will do him good. Huh? Felix, Poindexter, you were eavesdropping.
Sorry, we couldn't help overhearing you, Uncle.
A fine thing. Your own nephew.
That will do, Felix. You don't have to sit with Poindexter tonight.
Big deal. Goodbye, Poindexter. Take care of yourself.
I shall, Mr. Felix.
There goes the professor with Poindexter. Maybe I'd better go to Venus, too. There's Poindexter's flying saucer. Just what I need. It's a small world. Now to set my course to Venus. Let's see now. 17 degrees from Arcturus in the direction of the Crab Nebula. That sounds dangerous.
Where are we now, Poindexter?
We're just passing the Crab Nebula, Uncle.
Good. Venus, next stop. Let's find the Master Cylinder.
There's his laboratory, Uncle.
Next, I draw a line parallel to the sun's drift and pull back the atomic drive accelerator. It came off, and I have to go outside to fix it. Hey, the saucer! It's drifting away! And I'm adrift in deep space. I am in a tough spot. The professor hires out his nephew to work for the Master Cylinder, and when I try to follow him, this flying saucer conks out, and now I'm adrift in space. I gotta get back into that flying saucer by hook or crook. Hook!
Greetings, Master Cylinder. Here's my nephew, as per our agreement.
I am ready to assume my duties, Mr. Cylinder.
Good. The laboratory is over there. You are in complete charge.
Yes, Mr. Cylinder. Chief, sir.
Now that the preliminaries have been dispensed with, hand over Poindexter's wages. $1 million.
$1 million?
What's so funny?
this.
Stop this foolishness and release me at once.
So, you want to be released? Okay, you asked for it.
Hey, what's that? The professor! A flamer! He's coming down! I gotta save him! Professor, what happened?
We must save Poindexter. Quick, cut me down.
Poindexter! Oh, fine. Out like a light. The master cylinder.
Give up, Felix. You can't fight me all alone.
I will never give up. Never! Huh?
Playing games, eh?
Well, Mr. Felix, all's well that ends well.
I wonder what the master cylinder's head feels like. We'll never know.
Speak for yourself, Felix.
Sorry, Professor.